Hello, America, and welcome to Fact or Fiction. I'm your host, Rod Baker. Now, today's show, let's welcome back our champion, Bunny. Oh, Bunny, come on in here. And how are you today?
Oh, I'm fine.
Feeling lucky?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, Bunny.
December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy.
The buck stops here. The buck stops at the president's desk when he's president of the United States.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
In the councils of government, we must guard against the acquisition of unwarranted influence, whether sought or unsought, by the military-industrial complex. The potential for the disastrous rise of misplaced power exists and will persist. We must never let the weight of this combination endanger our liberties or democratic processes.
People have got to know whether or not their president's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook.
Great again! Great again! Great again! Great again! Great again! Great again! The election is here, well, have no fear. I find a leader who's a winner's got his own university. Second Amendment should be second to none. Taxes on the devil and the war's begun. Building bridges costs money, so we'll build a wall. He says he alone can fix it all. Great again, great again. Great again, great again. The election is here, well, have no fear. We know who's to blame for economic shame. The Mexicans, the Muslims, the minimum wage, the Democratic commies, and their mommies. Public kids in the middle, they're just not right. The nigger in the White House, he's just not white. Send LGBT to Saudi Arabia. Outlaw Bush and then sew up the labia. Great again, great again. Great again, great again. Great again, great again. Great again, great again.
I think I am a nice person. People that know me like me. They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime. They're rapists.
You know, I'm automatically attracted to beautiful. I just start kissing them. It's like a magnet. You just kiss. I don't even know. And when you're a star, they let you do it. You can do anything. Whatever you want. Grab them by the pussy. I can do anything.
Is that like the real one, or is that a copy? And he said, that's my real Purple Heart. And I said, man, that's like big stuff. I always wanted to get the Purple Heart. This was much easier.